Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is B2 level German reading section. So I have taken this print from one of the model test papers of German B2 level. So we'll see what kind of sentences are there, what is the difficulty level of B2 level reading section. So let's start with this, although there are certain blanks, but we'll skip that, it's a part of exam paper. So we'll see the sentences and the difficulty level. Über eine Milliarde Menschen reisen jährlich in ein anderes Land. Over 1 milliard, 1 milliard people travel every year in another country. Ob von Deutschland nach Italien, von Kanada nach Mexiko oder von Japan nach Australien. Whether from Germany to Italy, from Canada to Mexico, from Japan to Australia. Noch nie waren so viele Touristen unterwegs. Never ever, noch nie, never ever were so many tourists on the way. Unterwegs, on the way. When you travel, when you're on the way, you will say unterwegs. Kaum ein Wirtschaftszweig wächst so schnell und kontinuierlich wie der Tourismus. Hardly any economy branch, economy sector, wachsen means to grow so quickly and with so consistency as the tourism. Tourism is a sector industry that is growing very rapidly as compared to other sectors. So this is the difficulty level. I don't think it is difficult if you are reading regularly and you are reading some German books or novels, or if you are just in habit of reading something in German. So you are able to make it B2 level reading exam. Next paragraph. Schon in der Antike gingen Menschen an andere Orte. Already in the antique means ancient time, ancient periods, past, went people to other places. Ort means place. Oft zu Fuß oder mit dem Pferd. Often on foot, zu Fuß, or mit dem Pferd. Okay, with the horse. So they often used to travel in the past, in the antique time, people from one place to another. Sometimes they used to go on foot and sometimes they used the horse. Das dauerte jedoch lange und war sehr mühsam. It lasted. Dauern is a verb. Dauern, duration, last. It lasted, however, long, and it was very mühsam, very tiring. Mühsam, very tiring. Müde, synonym for müde. Exhausted. Nur wenige konnten es sich leisten, in einer Kutsche zu reisen. Only very less could afford. Leisten means to afford, financially, monetary, to afford. Only very less people could afford this, to travel in a kutsche. Kutsche, in the ancient time you have seen, it's a kutsche with the horses, and behind that there is a coach where people used to sit and the horse drag that. It's called kutsche. You can find it in Google if you write this and show the image. What is kutsche? Besonders schnell war die Kutsche allerdings auch nicht. Especially quickly were this kutsche, however, also not. It was also not so fast, but people used to use them instead of horse. But it was also not very quick, very fast. Then here 10 means you will continue this sentence. Options will be given to you in the exam paper. So you will choose the correct sentence. What will come here next? After this sentence, what will come here? This is the way you attempt this reading section. I have not mentioned here the options, but in the paper you will get options, and from that you have to pick any suitable one that fit here, that can fit here, that can make sense here. Erst als die Eisenbahn und das Dampfschiff erfunden wurden, ändert sich das. Erst only when the Eisenbahn and the Dampfschiff, the steam engine, were discovered, erfunden. Erfinden is the verb. Erfunden wurden means passive. It's a passive tense. Steam engine was invented. Änderte sich das. It changed rapidly with the invention of Eisenbahn, it's a train, and steam engine. So things changed after the invention. Next, die Reisen, the journey, the tour, wie wir sie heute kennen, that we know today, wie wir sie heute kennen, verdanken wir vor allem dem Britten Thomas Cook. We thank especially the Britten Thomas Cook. the journey that we know today, Canon. For that, we should thank especially to this Britain Thomas Cook. It's a person. Organisierte 1841 eine Zugfahrt mit Blasmusik, Tee und belegten Broten in einem 20 Kilometer entfernte kleinen Stadt. He organized in 1841 a travel tour, Zugfahrt, with Blasmusik, good music, tea, und belegten Broten and carried breads in a 20-kilometer distance of a small city, Kleinstadt. Entfernt means distance, okay, gap of 20 kilometers. So here again 11 number, you will write another sentence, you will continue this sentence, and option you will get below in the papers. Next, damit erfand der Brite die erste Pauschalreise der Welt, ein großer Erfolg. With that discovered or invented the Brit, this person, okay, Brit Thomas Cook, the first Pauschalreise, okay, package journey of the world. A big success, ein großer Erfolg. It's a nominative case, look at the adjective ending, großer. Der Erfolg, so ER ending. A big success. So it was all started by this person, Thomas Cook. We know him, Thomas Cook, and the complete name is Britain Thomas Cook. Die meisten solcher Reisen blieben jedoch lange ein Luxus, den sich die meisten Menschen nicht leisten konnten. The most of such journey stayed for longer period as a luxury that could not afford most of the people. Most of the people could not afford this kind of Pauschalreise, this package tour, because it was considered as a type of luxury, luxus, and people were not able to afford. Leisten konnten, they could not afford. An 6 Tagen der Woche und 10 Stunden am Tag zu arbeiten, war 1900 normal. 6 days work in the week and 10 hours a day was normal, okay, in 1900. It was very normal working day. 6 days a week and per day 10 hours work. Again, number 12, you will complete this sentence with the given option. Dies änderte sich im Lauf des 20. Jahrhunderts. This changed, okay, in the run of 20th century. It changed a little bit in the 20th century. Als die Arbeiter mehr Freizeit bekamen. It changed, the working hours and the working condition changed in 20th century as the worker, Arbeiter, got more free time. Mehr Freizeit bekamen. Präteritum form. Bekommen, bekamen. They got more freedom. Die Löhne stiegen und die Reisekosten sanken. Löhne means wages. Wages of the worker. Stiegen. Increased. Steigen, it's all in past tense. Stiegen. Increased, and the Reisekosten and the cost of travel. Sanken. Decreased. So it's Gegenteil, opposite. Steigen, sinken. Sinken. The past form is Präteritum sanken. So the wages increased and the cost of travel decreased. Seitdem steigt die Anzahl der Touristen stetig. Since then, seitdem, second actor, since then, increased the number of tourists continuously, very rapidly. So this was the text. This was the reading text of B2 level German. I hope you understand. Please hit the like button and share it as much as possible. I want your feedback about this video. Keep watching German class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.